Neonatal nutrition is a hot topic of this event. We are here with Professor Massimo Agosti. He has just finished his speech. We asked him, what about your speech? Could you summarize for us?
Yes, thanks. But neonatal nutrition is a very interesting and important topic for us neonatologists and pediatricians as well, because neonatal nutrition is the first prevention for babies and for children and adolescents as well, because depending from the choice of feeding in neonatal period, we can direct in a positive or different manner the healthy of this baby on short or long term in life. In this topic, we discussed about the great importance of human breast milk. The human breast milk is the only and the unique food for the baby, for the infant. Every mother has the good breast milk for his or her baby. This is very, very important. So we discuss a lot of differences about macro and micronutrients from breast milk in comparison with other milks, i.e. formula feedings. But also it's important to note that breast milk is very dynamic fluid, is very changeable fluid, is different from mother to mother, and it's very important to observe also that it's different from lactation stage. At the beginning, after birth, is richer in proteins, for instance, and then proteins decreases during months, and is different into the lactation, is thinner at the beginning, and is more rich in fat at the end of the lactation.
Professor, this is the 18th edition of the International Workshop of Neonatology in Pediatrics. What's the importance of this event?
Well, this event is very important, and I thank Professor Fanos because he was able and is able to continue to organize this important national and international meeting in neonatology and pediatrics. Today, this year is the 18th. In some way, the workshop has become adult, 18 years. In these 18 years, many neonatologists, pediatricians, but also gynecologists, cardiologists, and pathologists intervened in these workshops. It's very important to discover interesting topics, and Professor Fano is very able to do that, and to invite very valuable speaker, not me, the other ones, but to give the more recent and the more intelligent evaluations about the many topics. So it's very good and important event, and I am honored and very grateful to Professor Fanos.
Thank you very much indeed, Professor. Thank you.